everybody, it's Dave. Look what I have. It's the T65 X-Wing. I'm gonna be unboxing it today. Yeah. Oh, this is very exciting. You know what? I got this in Costco for 60 bucks. Wow. This is unreal. Now we have T65. Oh, the box itself is so nice. Huh. Wait a minute. How do I take this out? What? Oh, what? Ooh. It's packaged with nice. Woo. Wait a minute. Let me put this down. Oh. Oh. Ha. Ooh. You see this? It is packaged. Oh, there's some kind of a seal in here. What? Okay. Let's see how we open this up. Ooh. Oh, packaging is really tight. Oh, here we go. All right. Some kind of instruction of opening it. Be careful when cutting. Always use the adult supervision. I think I'm adult enough. I'm 14 and up. Cut horizontally. Carefully lift the lid upwards. Ooh, okay. All right. Let's see. Nice. Okay, drop. All right. What is this, rubber? Some kind of... Look at that! Presentation is nice. How do we take this out? What? Okay. Okay. Well, I don't think I want to cut it in half. It's gonna like... Oh yeah. Unglue. Oh yeah. It's for later. Yeah. Oh wow. Another one. Oh. Got that out. Oh. This is nice. Ooh.
It's why you fail.
What? Let's see if it makes sounds again. Let me close it. Let's open it again. Oh, it does. Ooh, different sounds. This is so cool.
Standing by. Red 6 standing by.
Oh, some kind of sensor on the box. Oh, okay. So it turns it on. Let's see how we can like... Oh, you can take this out. Put that aside. Oh, maybe on top. Yeah. You guys see that? Okay, let's see what it comes with. Oh, let's see if we can activate it again. Oh, I like the sound, the music. This package right here that was on top of the remote control seems to be the guard for the propeller. Is the remote control. Oh, kind of heavy. Wow, you see that? It's the T65 X-Wing remote control by Propeller. We have this is some kind of a stuff that I guess that's from the gun. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of propellers. And this seems to be the battery. Alright. And this probably like to take off the propeller and stuff. So, to wedge it. Okay. And we have some screws over here. Screws. If you didn't see the battery, it has the fuselage with the battery in it. So I guess this one comes off. Careful guys, because this is kind of hard to like take out. Here we go. It was put in real tight in there. Here we go. That's the fuselage. That's like just a cover itself. And this is the battery. This is the box. Okay, box. Battery. The battery itself is about 3.7. Okay, and it's at 800 mAh. Okay, it's a 3.7, so it's okay. So you just drop it in, I guess. Oh, no, the front has to go into a slot and then drop it in like that. See that? There's a slot right there, and there's a tongue, and you just fit it in there. Okay, so now we need to lock it. It's in there, and the lock doesn't seem to go in. Okay, well, there you go. Now it's locked. Okay, so that's how it looks. There's 4 LED here, and then 2 on the front. Okay, I assume I need to like recharge the battery, so I'm gonna have to take it out. Doesn't seem to have a switch to turn it off, so there's another that's how it comes, guys. And there seems to be 2 more batteries here. Batteries that comes with the drone itself. 3 batteries. That's very good. Guys, for like 60 bucks, I mean, it's a very good deal. And with the USB charger, caddy charger here, and a wall socket. Okay, right there. And there's the power right there. And I think this one just, here we go, it just goes like that to charge. Nice. Okay, that's very simple. I don't know how long is the charging time for that, but anyways, let's see. Pilot handbook, and it gives you all instruction here, and it tells you what it is, you know. They claim to be able to like power this and fly this 6 to 8 minutes. That's very good. Okay. That's a good enough flying time, I guess. And anyways, I'm gonna try to charge the batteries, guys, and put some battery in here so we can test the drone. Alright? Wait a minute. One more time. Oh! Woo! Yeah! Alright. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna charge the batteries. So, I will be back. We're here at the park. I got the battery charged, and this is how you put this in. Right there, tongue and groove. Put that in, and turns on. The lights on the front and the back. Okay, and this locks. It's kind of hard to like lock the battery in, but there you go. Now it's locked and it's on. I don't think this will be good on the grass, so I'm gonna put it right here where there's no grass. Alright, so to turn on the remote is right here. 2 seconds. There you go. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's this phone holder. The phone holder, I found out that that can be used for fighting with each other's drones. There's a laser thing. It's kind of like a laser tag, so you can fly and shoot each other, and this 3 right here is your life. Once you get down to no light, then you're done. Okay. Also, the app that you download and you use your cell phone for, it shows you how to fly the drone. It's a training app also, so which is pretty good. I tried it, and you know, it shows you how to fly the drone left, right, up, down, make a yaw, make a roll, and you know, it's educational. All right, so anyways, let me sync this with the drone to sync up and down, and then so you need to also push this button. This is for making the gyro stable. Okay, and then this is to auto start and auto land. Now we're flying. There we go. It's kind of windy, that's why it's like pushing around. Woo, yeah. Okay, let's land. Come on. I think the wind is too strong. I'm gonna switch it to crash landing. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it. There's actually 4 modes of these drone. So this part right here on the left lower button, that's the first mode. Second mode, third mode. Okay, third mode is a lot faster. And there's a T mode. T mode is basically kind of like a geo fencing, but it's controlling the how high you can go and how low you can go. The lowest that you can go, it won't hit the floor. The highest that you can go is 6 feet. Okay, so that would be safely safe height that you can fly the drone. Okay, so let's do the T mode. T mode is right there. Now let's do fly the drone. Oh, it's not even going. The wind is too. it's not able to keep up with the wind. Oh, come on. Okay, there. There you go. Now I switch it to the mode 3, which is a lot higher speed. So it should be able to keep up with the wind. There you go. Woo! Oh yeah, guys, you can also do flip on this drone. Oh, it's too windy. One more time. It's too windy, so it overflips. Let's see. One more time. See if we can do the flip. Against the wind and we flip. It's too windy. Flip. Oh yes. Okay, another flip. To the left. Flip. Oh. Anyways, okay. It's too windy, so we'll just end this session right here. Okay, guys. That's it. Okay. Land. Nice. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. It's windy already.
Okay, bring him in.
I have done the flying. of the drone itself. Pretty good. I like it. And this will be the end of the unboxing. Anyways, pretty well. And if you go to Costco to buy this has an extra battery, an extra set of propellers, an extra set of the gun itself. And it's for a pretty good price. And I do have another one, which I'm gonna have my son unbox it himself, so we can do some battle drones. Hey, of course, I can't just buy the light side, I have to get dark side also. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Peace, and please subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.